country, please?
Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while, and today's going to be a pretty quick video. I'm getting ready to go see NightClub. I'll insert a video of me there now. It's going to go pretty quick. Because I don't have a ton of time, and my partner's coming over, and I gotta do his too. We're going full white face goth. Totally fits the theme. It'll just be fun. Anyways, once again, before we get started, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, and YouTube. BearScareVD, same way it's spelled here. So I'm gonna use, this is the Makeup Forever Shine Control? Yeah, it's a mattifying base. It's so weird. I don't know if it's silicone or not. It doesn't really feel like silicone though. So it really works though. It really works if you want something to keep you from getting super shiny. It gets a little tacky, which is good, because we like it tacky here. This is Mayron Paradise paint. I don't know if it's gonna focus, I don't really care. This is white, just white. So how y'all doing? How y'all doing? You know, I've been better, I've been worse, you know. We just out here living. Perfect, we have very white. I always forget how good this stuff smells. It's very coconutty. But not like overpowering like fake coconut. Oh, I'm very fan of the opera right now. No, not like, it's not fake coconut, it's just like pleasantly coconut. It's a pleasant nut. So it's NightClub is opening, and then NightClub is headlining, and then a group called Holy War is opening for them. They're not like the same type of music per se. It's a really bad analogy, but it's the only thing I can think of. One is Frankie Goes to Hollywood, and the other one is the Bee Gees. But they're both like kind of disco. Maybe a little bit more like a aesthetic perfection, but you know, it's whatever. We're done with white face paint. I am gonna use a little bit of white concealer, just because this face paint doesn't cling to my skin super well, but I mean, that's just kind of my skin. Like, it's not bad, it just, I don't know, it's so weird. Like, if you have texture on your skin, this face paint's gonna show it, basically. I'm like kind of rushing because I've only got like 30 to 35 minutes before my partner gets here. Oh, I look nuts. Cool. I'm just gonna let that harden on my nose. Now, for the fun stuff, and I always wear a black shirt, and I don't know why. This is like white face powder. It's specifically white face powder. Yeah. I don't know if it's just talc. It might just be talc. We'll find out. I don't know if that helped or made things worse. And yet, you bet your sweet ass we are baking like it's 2016 up in here. Baking like it's my half-hour slot for Hamburger Mary's. No, for real, I am like aggressively cramming this powder in. Tell you what, it's not comfortable at all. Okay, I'm gonna go busy myself with a couple other things. I gotta let this kind of cook, and I'll be right back. I have no way to know if it's focusing on me. Anyways, back, I brushed off all of the stuff. I hit myself with some of the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 02. I really like it. Works really well. I'm gonna go back in with another layer of powder just on a brush. It's a Wet n Wild powder brush. Y'all, if you don't care about like the prestige of brushes or whatever, these are fantastic. Like, these are easily worth the cost of like a Pat McGrath brush. Calling you out, Pat. Yeah, there's definitely some places where the white's coming up, which is fine. I mean, I'm gonna look haggard anyways by the end of the night, let's be real here. There's so much powder in my eyes that I can't really see. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna do this, like, cut. I don't know how to explain it. Are you focusing? I don't know if you're focusing. If not, y'all are gonna have to deal with it. Yeah, I don't know how to describe this. It's kind of like, I don't know if Susie and the Banshee is the right way. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna stop talking, I'm just gonna do it. There's so much powder, it dried out the eyeliner. Oh no, that's just a NYX matte, I think it's the Epic liner, I don't know. So it's just these two little black lines here, and now I'm gonna like smoke it out. And I'll fix them up later, obviously, but take my little buxom palette and I'm just gonna take the black in this. It's not that black, so that's why I'm gonna use it, and if I want to, I can build up from there. And I'm gonna kind of keep the brunt of it like near the center and like kind of feather it smaller as it goes, if that makes sense. Okay, kind of like that. It's not as black as I want it though, so I am gonna take that BH Cosmetics black, but I'm gonna use a smaller brush. Yeah, that's what I keep nearly dipping into the other black and it's just not black enough. These are not very symmetrical. I don't really care. And I'm gonna blend them out a little bit again, just because I kind of want it to almost make a triangle. It's kind of more or less what I want. And now I am gonna I'm gonna use a little pen liner, I think. I think that'll be the best, yeah. BH pen liner. It's from the Doja Cat collection, but just it's one of the regular liquid liners. Their liquid liners are really fucking good. So yeah, I just kind of cleaned up that edge. Just take a liner brush and I'm gonna use some of that black again just to really close the gap between the line and the liner. Or the shadow and the liner, whatever, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Like I said, rushing, time is of the essence. I'm the greatest makeup artist that ever lived. Oh my god. Can you imagine blending liquid line with shadow? Breathtaking, truly. Now, I kind of want to do, like, splatter, if that makes sense. Just blood, splat, you know, whatever. Red, Paradise Paint, and a toothbrush that you could also use a chip brush. Risk it for the biscuit! Who wants to die for art?
Now everybody breathe! Who wants to be famous? Who wants to die for art? I do!
There we go. Go. Blood splatter blush. I kind of want to do the same thing for like eyeliner too, because I'm gonna fill in like the eye socket with red, but I want like black light. You'll see. I gotta wash this. Okay, I'm back. I did it off camera because I do not care about you. I did it in front of a towel in my bathroom so I could see better. You don't matter. Moving on. I forgot to contour. I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna take just like the gray in that Buxom palette, and we're just gonna do like, it's not a stairway to heaven, it's gonna be a straight drop. So I'm gonna go from like right here to like down. Bam, that's it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the, it's like the lighter taupe, and I'm just gonna kind of blend up, kind of at the top of the cheekbone. Is this the most amazing makeup I've ever done? No, probably not. Am I fine with it? Yeah. I am gonna take, I have a white shadow somewhere. Come on. Is it in this one? Yeah. I'm gonna take, it's just a straight up white shadow on a bigger brush. Let's grab my phone for, you know, just gonna kind of go right under my eye just to make sure it's more or less set. Right here, that white shadow is actually pretty goddamn good, damn. And I'm gonna go right under that contour as well with the white shadow to kind of make sure I'm cutting the contour. I'm such a mess. Nothing is where I like normally have it, so. I'm also like sweating a little bit. Good enough, okay. Lips. Maybelline Shocking Black? Shocking Black. Lip ink, once again, anytime I use these, I always say treat yourself to getting one. They're the best liquid lipstick I've ever used. They feel comfortable, all that, blah, 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 last a long time. Okay. Sickening. Come on, depression, let's get sickening. And gonna line my eyes with eyeliner, as you do. Okay, cool. Focus. This is it. Oh, no it's not, I lied. I lied to you. I will continue to lie to you. No, there's literally one more thing. Oh Lord. Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Taking Devil Wears It, Shimmery Red, Full On Crazy palette. I don't really care what kind of brush it is. It's gonna be messy, it's gonna be ugly. And I'm just like kind of mashing it on my eyelid and kind of bringing it up over the wing, like even straight up into my eyebrows. So it gives me this like red eye look. Cool. Now we're done. So yeah, I gotta go, like, bad, because my partner is waiting. I'm gonna do his makeup, not doing that on camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'll insert footage or whatever of me at the show, but yeah, hope you guys have a lovely day. Once again, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, and YouTube. Bears care, the same way it's here. All right, bye.